Audio Jungle.
I am Riya Gupta and I welcome you all to our channel News Movement English.
I am Santlana Star.
So please introduce yourself as Secretary of Hotel Honor Association Asansol.
Ashok Kumar Sonthalia, owner of Hotel The Signature Asansol, and myself is the Secretary, Hotel Owners Association Asansol.
I ask you some questions.
Yeah,
After lockdown, hotel industry has been totally stopped. It has ceased functioning. Please share your difficulties and trouble with us.
from 24th March onwards, practically our operations have come to a standstill. All our operations are completely closed. There is not an income of even a farthing from our hotel industry. And so many hotel workers who were stuck up in the hotel due to sudden lockdown faced too much difficulties. We had to arrange for their foodings and other necessities also. And like my hotel, everybody has faced the same thing. The position is very tense. It is dangerous position. It seems that we have been put on a frying pan. Yeah, we have been put on a frying pan. We are really facing too much difficulties. How we will pay our interest on loan? How we will pay our installments of loan? How we will cope with the income tax and GST liabilities? We are actually very much depressed at this moment.
My next question is, what are your demands to state and central government to overcome your problems?
From the central government, our demand is very simple. They should look at our position and they will ultimately understand themselves what should be our demands. We want waiver of interest on loan. We want tax holiday for 2 years at least, including income tax and GST. Thirdly, our demand is, our Prime Minister has told us, you should pay 100% salaries to your staffs. Very good. Central government is blessed with the printing of notes. They may increase the taxes, they may increase the everything. Excise duty 24 rupees, diesel and petrol may be sold at 66 rupees, 72 rupees, no harm in it. We also support them because there are financial constraints to the central government also. But since we are not blessed with all these things, we simply demand that our losses should be made up by the central government. If the government allow us that you pay your installments after 2 years, we will reduce it. We will reduce the taxation burden. And if the government can give 75% of our staff salary, then we are ready to give our balance 25% from our coffers. This is our demand from the central government.
So that you are okay with it that the price is rising. The price is rising of petrol, even though in the world rate, the petrol's rate is really low.
Petrol prices are not rising. Petrol prices or diesel prices are in standstill situation. The international market witnessed a heavy fall in the prices, but the government did not part with the benefits to the people. You should know our petrol and diesel prices, taxes on the petrol and diesel prices are highest in the world today. Even Pakistan,
Pakistan is the lowest.
to whom we blame, every day have lowered their rates substantially. That is my country's
Is,
state government country.
has the government responded to your demands and requests?
No, whatever we learn from our sources, that they are considering a package for the industries, MSME industries. Hopefully, they may consider a separately for the tourism industry also. And since we have full faith on the central government, we expect that they will give us a good package.
Can you guess when lockdown will be over? Can you guess when lockdown will be over?
Certainly not, because it is entirely in the hands of the government, and how the pandemic COVID-19 plays in India, it will entirely depend upon it. Presently, you also know that the May 17 is the deadline. It may get extended for our industry up to June first week also. But whatever the time, it does not matter to us, because even after opening of the hotel industry, you see, there we will have to live with COVID-19. There is no alternative to it. Even you see the restaurants will have 50% of the capacity. The rooms, sharing of room by the customers will also be curbed. They may allow 1 person or 2 person, not more than that. There will be so many types of arrangements to be made by us for the safety of our customers. It will also affect us economically. And see, when our customers will not be able to come from outside, there is no free movement of the passengers in India. Even in West Bengal, from one district to another district, there are presently curbs. When these curbs will be lifted totally, then only the hotel industry will start to run, and that may take 1 year's time. Further, our capacity reduction by 50%. What you mean by that? Capacity reduction by 50% will heavily impact us economically. That is a very dangerous.
If the lockdown will increase, it will hamper your business.
Yeah.
Totally, it will hamper your business.
We are already on a frying pan. We are suffering.
So lockdown will impact not only hotel business but entire economy of the country.
Yeah, definitely it will impact
Although
the
the
entire
GDP
economy of the country.
Although the GDP is already touching the grounds. So next question.
Comparatively to world, our economy has faced small impact. Look at USA, look at Italy.
But
Due to the government policy or something, India has yet suffered a little loss compared to those countries.
GDP.
Even in GDP also.
Lives.
China's GDP has shown a reduction of minus GDP, 6%, minus 6 point something.
Which has, but in India it's also very low. Like recently it's touching the ground.
Yeah, India will also take some
Before the lockdown even there
2 to
was
3 years or 4 years time to recover the losses. India will also definitely take time.
Last question is, how many months will your industry take to overcome all these problems?
2 to 3 years. Definitely it will take some time. 2 to 3 years it will take if this pandemic COVID-19 disappears from here. If it remains here, then it will take time.
So what is your demands for the state governments?
Regarding the state government, one thing we have to understand, they have little resources compared to the central government. What the state government can do for us, the state government, our mayor, honorable mayor, can consider our demand for reduction of waiver of trade license fees, garbage tax, and holding tax for at least 6 months presently. Thereafter, he is intelligent enough to understand what to do further if the situation further deteriorates. This is our demand. One more demand we can make from the state government. There are problems of subsidy recovery. If the government can look at that matter also, the applications for subsidy which are pending, if their disposal can be expedited, then the industry can get the subsidy amount. It will help them.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel News Moment English and press the bell icon for future